in today's video, I'm going to challenge ChatGPT and DeepSeek. You probably have heard about it. It's that new AI website that's completely disrupting the AI industry. It came out just yesterday or 2 days ago, so it's fairly new and it's already making a lot of noise. So let's see if it's really as good as what everybody says. All right, in this video, I want to share DeepSeek performance versus ChatGPT. So, as you know, DeepSeek just came around a few days ago. They're they literally disturbed the entire AI world and specifically ChatGPT. So, as we know, the Nvidia stocks plummeted since DeepSeek came out. So that proves that it really made an impact on the AI world and what it can do. I've heard that DeepSeek is actually a little bit better in a way that it thinks differently compared to ChatGPT. And I haven't tested that. I don't know really how it works. I have the paid version of ChatGPT, so it might be a little bit better than no, it should be the same. It's just a little bit faster. But I want to compare the two with you guys. So let's compare the two. Give it the same prompt, and I'm gonna ask it like give me a strategy to make $10,000 per month working from home. How about that? And we'll put it in both platforms and see which one is going to give us a better answer. All right, here is my prompt. Give me a strategy plan to make $10,000 working from home. I'm going to add per month because that's a magic number for people. I don't know why, but it is. Give me a strategy plan to make $10,000 per month working from home as an introvert, because nobody wants to take calls. Nobody wants to see people face to face either. Like in our ideal world, we want to be able to make money as passive as possible without working long hours, correct? So if we're all on the same page, that's good. As an introvert, working the minimum amount of hours per day. And I'm going to give it to ChatGPT. I would like to have the two. I would like to have the two pages side by side so you guys can see. So let me work on that. All right, we have the two side by side. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to push both buttons at the same time, but I'll try to be as fast as possible. Let's go. So this one. Now let's go. DeepSeek is thinking. I know it's been pretty busy on their server because every time I try to use it lately, it's been super busy. Sometimes I couldn't even get an answer. So that's like a downfall for them right now. They're so new that they're super busy. And obviously, you can see they're still thinking. Didn't give me an answer. ChatGPT already gave me an answer. No, as well, something that I noticed, and that's a good point for ChatGPT, is that DeepSeek doesn't have a memory. So let's say you have a business and you want to give DeepSeek your business plan and remember your details and everything. So every time you ask DeepSeek to write a letter for your business or whatever, well, you need to be on the same chat. You cannot like open a new chat. It doesn't remember things. Whereas ChatGPT, once it's in the database and I mean, in the paid version for sure, because that's what I'm using. And DeepSeek doesn't have a paid version right now anyways. It's pretty bad, actually. It's still thinking. But for ChatGPT, it does remember everything you ask. You tell the bot, the AI bot. Yeah, see, the server is busy. Please try again later. Okay, well, That's a bad point. I'm going to try again a little bit later. I'm not going to make you wait so long. So I will pause the video and I will get back to it. But I was saying that ChatGPT remembers. Oh yeah, there you go. It works now. ChatGPT remembers, and that's super practical. I've been using ChatGPT's memory forever now, and it's so good because I don't have to repeat myself every time. So that's great. Even if I start a new chat, ChatGPT remembers whatever I asked him before or whatever I told him, and he will remember. Especially if I told him, "Hey, please remember that." It's gonna update the memory, and I remember. So there you go. We have DeepSeek was pretty fast to type, that's for sure. So now I want to know if the way they write is the same or not, and if the ideas are the same. So DeepSeek is telling me choose a high income skill or business model. Okay, choose the right business model. Same idea, typed differently. So here we have freelancing for DeepSeek, digital products, affiliate marketing, YouTube or content creation, print on demand, stock trading or investing. Those are great ideas. They're great ideas and they will help you make money without working long hours. 100%. Maybe not at the start, because we all know that to start a business, you need to put in the work. But in the long run, they're ideal to make a lot of money working the minimum amount of hours per day or per week. So ChatGPT paid version 4.0. So ChatGPT is giving me digital products and telling me it's the best option. It's actually giving me a little bit more details here, giving me an example, create and sell a book on DeepSeek. And here it tells me create and sell digital templates. Yeah, same idea. Affiliate marketing, we have it here too. YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channel. Yeah, because I asked as an introvert, of course. So YouTube automation, which is here, AI content and copywriting services. Did you notice that ChatGPT didn't even talk about stock trading or investing? But DeepSeek did. And DeepSeek wrote about print on demand. And on this one, we have AI content and copywriting services. Use ChatGPT to write website copy. Okay, that's a good idea too. Didn't give me print on demand. Okay. Affiliate marketing, digital products, freelancing. We don't have freelancing here. Okay. Build a scalable online business. Phase 2, set up automated systems so you work less. Create a simple offer. Create digital products. Yeah, this is it. Set up a sales funnel, affiliate marketing, sell templates or tool. Automated dropshipping. Get traffic without being on social media, YouTube, Pinterest, SEO, blogging, Instagram Reels. Batch create 30 days in 1 day and schedule. Yeah, that's great. Phase 3, leverage. Leverage and scale to 10K per month. Your strength as an introvert, deep focus. Research skills, creativity, minimal interaction. Increase traffic, yes, does make sense. Affiliate partnerships, does make sense. Upsell and increase pricing. I like how ChatGPT is giving me actually like pricing examples, concrete examples that you can picture in your mind and be like, okay, yeah, giving you ideas on prices and everything. Automate and outsource to work even less. Yeah, IRVA. Use AI, set up an evergreen. I'm telling you guys, AI is the future. You need to get into it. Leverage and optimize for efficiency, outsource tasks, which is right here to automate process, Zapier. Yeah, it's giving you a little bit of examples, but no like pricing and everything like that. Focus on high impact activities. Okay. Monetize multiple streams. So here, digital product example breakdown. Okay, hitting 10K per month. Yeah, that's great. It's a good like plan here. Organic, six sales. Monetize multiple streams. Example one. That's your example here, the breakdown. Earn 5,000 from digital products. YouTube ad revenue. Yeah. Here's an example. Here's a sample roadmap to achieve 10K per month. Learn a high income, set up a website, build your first income stream, scale and automate, diversify and optimize, and tools and resources, website. Yeah, it's giving you like ideas. That's not bad. I mean, it's said differently. It's giving you details, which is not bad at all. I don't think, yeah, no, ChatGPT is not giving you details on where to search to start a website building or email marketing. For someone who doesn't know anything about that, you want to have some names, right, for email marketing, and then from there you can dig deeper and like try to find more names, more websites and tools to help you. So that's great, because here it's not giving you that, right? I mean, it's telling you landing page. Yeah, where do I get my landing page? You know what I mean? Here, it's going to tell you website building, WordPress, Squarespace, Wix. Wix is great. I've used them multiple times. I really like them. They're easy, like user friendly, easy to use. Udemy, Coursera, time management, work smart, focus on impact, set boundaries. Yeah, that's great. Actually, dedicate 2 hours daily, 2 to 4 hours daily, track progress, and mindset and consistency. Does it say anything about mindset here? Because that's a great uh, great topic to talk about. Final thoughts. Best for introvert, faceless, biggest mistake, fastest way to hit. Okay, all right. But here we have mindset and consistency. Start small, yes. Be patient, 100%. Stay consistent, even small daily action compound over time. Yeah. Honestly, you know what? My final thoughts is that, um, okay, I like the presentation of ChatGPT, which is a little bit cleaner, I think, to me, to my eyes. It's cleaner the way it's presented, but I do like what came out of DeepSeek. That's, I mean, it gave me a little bit more information that, as a beginner, I would want. Content creation, Canva. I mean, everybody knows Final Cut Pro, Adobe Creative Suite. Okay, like someone who doesn't know anything about content creation would have no clue what is Canva. No clue. So I think this is great. Freelancing platforms, again, someone who's got no clue and doesn't know anything about that would not know like what is Upwork, Fiverr. No, you wouldn't know that. I don't even know what's TopTal. And I know a lot about digital marketing and making money online and things like that. Work smart, yeah. I think like DeepSeek is giving you a little bit more details and ideas that you need for your game plan, for your strategy to make $10,000 a month. So I like the presentation of ChatGPT is great, very clean, easy to read. It gave you ideas. Yes, it did here. System.io. Okay, yeah, and it gave you ideas too. Hmm. In that case, it's just presented differently. But here, you don't have anything about the mindset. So it gives you a little bit more here. Mindset, inconsistency, time management. You don't have that here either. So a little bit more details on DeepSeek, but I like ChatGPT just for the way they present things. So I still like ChatGPT. I don't know what you think. Try it. Try it and give me your opinion, please. Because if DeepSeek is the new game changer, I definitely want to jump on that platform more than ChatGPT because I'm paying monthly for ChatGPT. But if DeepSeek is free and it's giving the same type of ideas and maybe even more details, why not? And I'm sure it's going to get better over time. So, yeah, give me your ideas and tell me what you think. But for sure, right now, like ChatGPT is going to be faster because it's not as new. And we know when something is new, everybody's jumping there and it's flooding their server. But it will get better. So, yeah, interested to know what you think. And I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up. I would appreciate. And if you haven't done so, I'll invite you to subscribe to my channel. And I'll make sure to post more videos about AI as well, because I know it's a hot topic and a lot of people are interested to make their lives easier using AI. So if I can help you finding new ways to make your life easier, just subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.